On the second part of Judd Trump's Q action analysis, I will talk about his amazing Q power, scoring skills, and his unique aiming method, so let's get on with that. One of the reasons why Judd Trump has such a good timing is that he accelerates slowly on the backswing, and then as he does his shot delivery, he accelerates slowly and finishes shot fast. This kind of Q action helps him to hit shots much softer compared to other players and be a more consistent player. Even when he plays shots which requires a lot of Q power, he does it in such an effortless way that it looks like a piece of cake for him. It is important to mention Judd Trump's grip movement on the delivery. As he pushes Q through the ball, he flicks his wrist slightly, which helps him to create a lot of Q power on the Q ball. Judd Trump is not only an amazing putter, but also incredible in break building skills. He is only 30 years old and he has already made 628 century breaks, 4 maximum breaks, and he is on the 5th place in all-time list. Judd is a quick thinker and he can visualize 3-4 shots ahead before taking them. He does it in such an effortless way that he can keep his concentration levels high all match long compared to other slower and more mechanical players. Also, like other top players, he keeps his cue ball under control. He doesn't leave cue ball often close to the cushion or long distance shots as he is already on the break. Judd Trump aims in a very strange way. He aims right hand side to the cue ball as he approaches the shot, and then as he does his last backswing, he flicks his tip to the left and then delivers cue on the center cue ball. Till this day, I can't believe that with this aiming method he managed to be so consistent, be world number 1, win multiple championships, and be world snooker champion. His aiming method is completely unorthodox, and it shows how great as a snooker talent Judd Trump is. Please guys, don't try to copy his aiming, it will ruin your game for sure. Aim center cue ball and you will have much more consistent shot approach and putting. Please keep it in your mind. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.